$40,000 a month. One person, no employees, no funding, just a laptop and AI tools. That is the reality for solo founders in 2026. The AI market is projected to exceed $300 billion this year. Businesses are desperate to adopt AI, but most do not know where to start. That gap is where the money is. Here are 10 AI-powered businesses you can start today with $0 upfront. Let's get into it. Before we dive deep, here is the full lineup. I have ranked each one by revenue potential and difficulty, so you can pick the one that fits you best. Pause the video if you need to study this. Number 1, AI Automation Agency. This is the single most profitable AI business model right now. You help businesses automate repetitive tasks, data entry, email responses, lead qualification, invoice processing, appointment scheduling. You build AI workflows that handle all of it. The tools you need are N8N, which is free and self-hosted, or Make.com for $9 a month. Add Claude or GPT API for the AI layer at $5 to $20 a month. That is it. Here is the math. 5 clients paying $5,000 a month in retainer fees. That is $25,000 in revenue. With 85% margins, you keep over $21,000 every single month. How to start? Learn N8N by building automations for yourself. Pick a niche like real estate or dental offices. Offer free audits to 10 local businesses. Then charge for the build and a monthly retainer. Number 2, AI-powered Micro SaaS. Build a small software product that solves one specific problem. The key word is micro. You are not building the next Salesforce. One tool, one problem, one niche. Examples that are working right now. AI resume screener for recruiting firms at $49 a month. Menu description generator for restaurants at $29. Social media caption tool for real estate agents. Meeting notes summarizer for consulting firms at $99 a month. Build it with Claude Code or Cursor for free. Supabase for your database, free tier. Vercel for hosting, free tier. Stripe for payments, you only pay when you make money. Cursor alone hit $2 billion in annual revenue. If one AI tool can do that, imagine what a focused $29 a month micro SaaS can do in a tight niche. Number 3, AI Content and SEO Agency. One person with AI tools can produce the output of a 5-person content team. That is not theory. That is what agencies are doing right now. This is not about pumping out low-quality AI slop. The agencies making real money use AI as a force multiplier with human strategy and quality control. 10 clients at $2,000 a month is $20,000 with 70 to 80% margins. Minimal overhead. Number 4, AI Chatbot Development Service. 88% of early AI adopters are reporting positive ROI. Every business wants a chatbot, but most do not know how to build one that actually works. Use Floweyes or DiFi, both free and open source, to build chatbot flows visually. Train them on the client's docs, FAQs, and pricing. Embed on their site. Charge $1,000 to $5,000 per build, plus $200 to $500 a month for maintenance. 3 to 4 builds a month, and the recurring revenue adds up fast. Number 5, Faceless AI YouTube channel. No face, no voice. AI handles the script writing, voiceovers, image generation, and editing. The money is in the niche. Finance channels get $25 to $40 CPMs. Business and AI tech channels get $15 to $35. Compare that to gaming at $3 to $8. Pick the right niche, and 100,000 views a month earns you $2,000 to $4,000 just from ads. The pipeline. Claude writes the script. 11 Labs generates the voiceover for $5 a month. FAL creates images for a penny each, and Remotion assembles the video programmatically. Total cost, under $10 a month. The channels that win are the ones that post consistently. 2 videos a week minimum. Consistency beats perfection every time. We are halfway through, and the next 5 are just as good. If you are finding value in this, hit subscribe and let's keep going. Number 6, AI Career Coaching and Resume Service. Millions of professionals are anxious about AI replacing their jobs. They need help navigating career transitions and positioning themselves in the new economy. Package your services into tiers. Resume only at $200 to $500. Resume plus LinkedIn optimization at $500 to $800. Full package with coaching sessions at $1,000 to $2,000. Executive tier with interview prep and salary negotiation at $2,000 to $5,000. Number 7, AI Data Analytics Consultant. Small businesses sit on gold mines of data they never use. Their Shopify, Google Analytics, and CRM data contains insights that could transform their business. They just do not know how to read it. Leaders want simple answers. What changed and what should we do? You connect their data, use AI to analyze it, and deliver plain English reports. That is it. 2 to 10,000 per month per client. And businesses that see ROI from your insights stick around for years. Number 8, AI voice and audio production. Podcasts, audiobooks, ad voiceovers, corporate training. The demand for audio content is exploding, and AI voice tech is now nearly indistinguishable from human speech. Voiceover work pays $1 to $500 per project. Podcast production, $500 to $2,000 a month. Audiobook narration, $2 to $400 per finished hour. Corporate training, $500 to $2,000 per module. 11 labs at $5 a month is all you need to start. The AI does the heavy lifting. You handle the client relationships. Number 9, AI-enhanced e-commerce. Here is where AI changes the game for e-commerce. Product descriptions that cost $100 from a copywriter cost 1 cent with AI. Product photography that costs $200 per shoot is now AI-generated. Customer service at $25 an hour is replaced by an AI chatbot. You are saving 80 to 99% on operations. That is the difference between a business that barely breaks even and one that actually prints money. Number 10, AI education and course creation. This is the most evergreen opportunity on the list. AI tools keep changing, which means the demand for updated education never stops. It is a cycle that feeds itself. Start with free YouTube tutorials to build authority. Then package your content into a mini course at $29 to $99, full courses at $199 to $499, live workshops at $500 to $2,000, corporate training at $2,000 to $10,000 per session. Build the course once, sell it forever. When the tools update, you update the course and relaunch. Passive income at its best. Now here is the actual playbook for going from zero to revenue. Week 1 to 2. Pick one business from this list. Spend 2 weeks learning the tools inside and out. Build something for yourself first. Week 3 to 4. Create a portfolio piece or demo. Set up a landing page. Write about what you learned on LinkedIn. Week 5 to 8. Reach out to 50 potential clients. Offer your first projects at a discount for testimonials. Document everything. Month 3 and beyond. Raise your rates. Build systems. Use AI automation to handle the growth. Here is what a realistic first year looks like if you stay consistent. Month 1, you earn nothing. You are learning. Month 2, your first client at a discount, maybe $500 to $2,000. Month 3, 2 to 3 clients at normal rates, $4,000 to $6,000. By month 6, with referrals kicking in, $10,000 to $15,000. Month 9, systems in place, $20,000 to $30,000. Month 12, established business with recurring revenue, $15,000 to $50,000 a month. You do not need to be an AI researcher. You do not need funding. You do not need a team or a computer science degree. You need to understand the tools, understand the problems businesses face, and bridge that gap. The best time to start was 6 months ago. The second best time is today. Pick one idea today. Learn the tools this week. Build something next week. The businesses that will dominate in 2027 are being built right now by people who decided to stop reading and start doing. I wrote a full blog post breaking down every business with all the tools, pricing, and step-by-step instructions. Link is in the description. Subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.